This company sent me 6 rolls of craft tape. Now this is very similar to masking tape, but you get a roll of pink, you get red, orange, a pretty bright blue, grass green, and a really bright yellow. Now, what are you gonna do with these? They are not marked as painter's tape, so I would not use them on the wall, but they are tacky but removable like painter's tape and masking tape. So you can see these come off really well. It did not tear. You know how sometimes they split and then you roll forever trying to get back to the beginning. This one came off really easy. You can use these in art projects, craft projects. These have 990 feet on each roll. So that's a lot of tape. You can use them to mask off on not a paint palette, what is it? A painting canvas. You know, you could do large pieces and then paint over top and then peel the masking tape off. You could also use this to do the art, you know, instead of painting. Or if you're doing collage, you can use this on collage. That you can write on this, so you could make sayings and then put it on your artwork or put it on your collages. Another great way to use this would be great in the classroom because you can use this on the floors. You could use it on the floors to show like this is where the line starts, or you know, this is where, draw a pink X and say stand on the pink X. You stand on the red X, somebody else is going to stand on the orange X. So you can draw things like that. You could make arrows, you can make boxes. You could make boxes on a gym floor. You could make really large boxes and then play games. You could make a hopscotch grid with it and teach the kids how to play hopscotch. So there are lots of things that you can do with this tape. I love how colorful it is. You could put it on classroom walls. This would be great in the office as well, you know, drawing arrows, but it's going to peel off easy without taking the paint with it. So highly recommend this.